Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? So here's a channel update. I know it's been a while. Sorry about that. But just wanna pretty much touch base with you guys. Been busy. Haven't been modeling much, but the show car season, the model car show car season started. So I'm starting to try to get in gear. Actually, last weekend was NNL Philly and Philadelphia, and I had a great time. Great show, great turnout, and I was able to bump into old friends and met a few new friends. Um, the NNL Philly is for us over here on the East Coast. Is the kickoff for the model car shows. So the next one will be NNL East in April. So it was great. Great show. That shows held in automotive museum with vintage race cars. So it's a great setting, and I definitely recommend anyone who who would like to go. I recommend it. It's a great show. Um, I bumped into a few YouTubers. Chris from Diablo's Workshop. Always great to talk to Chris. We're actually in a club together. The Tri-State Model Scale Model Car Club, and we work together in NLEs as well. So it's great to see Chris. I also bump into Craig from the Mud Modeler. Great talking to Craig. He actually has footage. I believe he has footage of the show, if I'm not mistaken. But go check out Craig's Mud Modeler's video on his recap if you haven't already. And it was great hanging out with people, seeing people again for the year, and it was a great kickoff. So we had a great time. So in front of you, I have my latest build that I'm working on. This is pretty much an old build. I started this even before my Datsun 510. This is a early '70s Skyline, and I started did it. I started building this right from the beginning when I first got back as well, and I just went with a kind of like this kit usually comes in originally came as a race car version, and I use another Skyline street car kit to make it a street car. So I used the interior from the street car version to put it in here and make this a street car. So this, excuse the video. It's not that great. I mean, this is not a shiny car. This is actually a flat car. I actually painted this with a spray can. Probably, it might have been a duplicate color or Rust-Oleum color. It was a flat color. It was actually paint for interiors of cars. And after it dried up with this flat, like weathered color. Like it looks like it's hard to tell in the video, but it's kind of like it almost like a jean color, like stonewashed jeans or something. So, at this point that the model's not done, I actually painted these stripes on top. They're basically what these stripes come in with the car and the decals for the race car. So I decided to change it up a little bit and kind of put this like a tribute car, race car, but a daily driver. And as you can see, these are the decals for the car originally. So what I did was I photocopied this sheet and then see, I photocopied it. Here's the photocopy here. Sorry, it's a photocopy, and I cut out the paper just to kind of make it as a template, so I can mimic the the patterns. And then I masked everything off and painted them. I still have to do, there's a another circle and lines that go on the door as well, so I'll be doing that as well. This car is a curbside originally, and I cut the hood open, I cut the trunk open originally, but this time I put an air ride system back in, like, this was 7 years ago. So I just kind of made something up and put it back there. But this time around, I glued the trunk closed. And this time around, since I've gotten better, I actually gonna hinge the front. Here's the hinge actually for it. And this was a curbside. I cut the hood out. I actually built that engine bay. It's the first engine bay I built. So I kind of mimicked it to what it really is. This car originally, and now this time around, I made a hood hinge. So I'll be hinging it when I get a chance this week. And I'm just trying to, I just grabbed this kit. I've had it in my, I had it on my, sorry about that. I had it in my shelves for a while, and I always wanted to rebuild it. So I changed the wheels up, and they had different wheels. They were also black, but I changed the wheels and made them, with low profiles, so I could lower the car even more. And that's basically what I'm working on now. Basically for the NNL East, as some of you knows, my club, the Diversified Skill, is gonna have the we're gonna have our shopping mall diorama, and we're gonna make it Nissan Datsun Day Part 2. So I just decided to rebuild this kit. That way, I don't less stress of trying to start a new car and a shiny build, which is gonna take me a while. So I decided just to rebuild this one. I'm gonna I pulled the motor out that I had originally. It's from a newer Skyline. I have it out, and I'm gonna put it back in, but detail it a little better. Like originally, I built this car like 7 years ago. So between now and then, I've gotten better, and now I can do some stuff that I couldn't do before. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to do a quick video. It's been a while. I apologize for the lack of videos. I do watch the videos from you guys as much as I can when I can. But that's pretty much it. So yeah, guys, see you guys on the next one. And in the Middle East, it's a month away. If you guys never been to, I highly recommend it. And like I said, we're gonna have our diorama display for Nissan and Datsun. So if you guys are more than welcome to bring it in and put it on the table, just try something different, and it'll be fun. So thanks for watching, guys, and talk to you later. Bye bye.